For centuries, school meant one thing: desks, bells, homework, exams. But what if the classroom disappeared? What if schools as we know them were obsolete? Welcome, brain cell ballers, to a future where education isn't a place, but a program. And learning, it never ends. Let's be real. Schools were never just about facts. They taught us how to sit still, follow rules, and pass tests. But the world changed. Fast. Today we carry more knowledge in our pockets than in any textbook. AI tutors can personalize lessons in seconds. Virtual reality can simulate entire worlds to learn in. And platforms like Khan Academy, Duolingo, and YouTube, they're already replacing classrooms for millions. The pandemic pushed education online. Now tech is pushing it beyond school walls. So what comes after schools? Option 1. Personal AI mentors. You get a digital coach who learns with you, adapting to your pace, style, and dreams. Option 2. Learning in the metaverse. Forget blackboards. How about walking through mitochondria or debating history in history? Option 3. Micro-learning. Tiny gamified lessons delivered whenever, wherever. Oh, and no more final exams. Just real-time feedback forever. Because the future of learning isn't 12 years long, it's lifelong. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the glitch. Tech can accelerate learning or control it. What happens when your learning is optimized by a company's algorithm? What if attention spans shrink to minutes? Or we trade teachers for tutorials? And let's talk about equity. In a world where AI mentors cost money, do the rich get smarter while the rest fall behind? No playgrounds, no lunch tables, just avatars. Is that still education? Schools aren't perfect, but they're more than lessons. They're where we meet friends, learn to share, make mistakes. They teach empathy, conflict, teamwork. And AI can teach you calculus. But can it teach you kindness? In chasing the future, we can't forget the human stuff. Because learning isn't just information, it's transformation. So, brain cell ballers, will schools survive the 21st century, or will they evolve into something we haven't imagined yet? Will your future child go to school or upload it? Let's find out together. Hit like if this got your neurons tingling. Drop your wildest vision of future learning in the comments. And subscribe if you're ready to upgrade your mental OS. From artificial life to artificial intelligence, we're learning the future, one brain cell at a time. Stay curious, stay conscious, and keep thinking outside the classroom.